Under the weather.
This is a really common one.
It is. So what does it mean, Adam?
Under the weather means you're feeling sick or not well.
Right. Not seriously ill, just a bit sick.
For example, I'm feeling under the weather today, so I'm staying home.
That means you're not feeling great. Maybe a cold or something.
Another example, she's been under the weather all week.
So she's been a bit sick for several days.
One more, if you're feeling under the weather, you should rest.
Good advice.
Yeah, so instead of saying I'm sick, you can say I'm under the weather.
It sounds more natural and less dramatic.
Exactly. So remember, under the weather means feeling a bit sick,